What's up, comrades? In this tutorial we're going to be creating a classic square wave bass using Tyrell N6 by U-he. Without further ado, let's get started. Starting with oscillator 1, we're going to turn the shape 1 up to about like the square wave position. Then moving over to the mixer section, we're going to turn oscillator 2 all the way down. We are just going to want the one oscillator. Then moving over to the envelope section, we're going to turn the sustain all the way down, and we're going to have the release up just a little bit. We're also going to take the decay down. Keep it about there. Moving over to the filter section, we're going to have the amount set to the ADSR. We want it on envelope 1, and we're going to turn the amount up a little bit. Then we turn the cutoff down to sound like this. Another key to this sound is turning up the resonance to your liking. Another thing I would suggest is in the filter section, making sure the attack is all the way down so you get that nice pluck sound. Lastly, we're going to go over to the chorus section. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn the wet knob down a little bit. And we can turn the rate as well and the depth. Now, to add some beef to the sound, you can add some distortion of your choice. Once you have a distortion up, I suggest adding things like soft clip distortion or saturation so they can be more generous with it. It's a lot more forgiving in that aspect. And that's basically how you get the sound. For more tutorials, feel free to like and subscribe, and also leave requests in the comment section below. Until next time.